Welcome to Papercraft for Kids. Jesus Calms the Storm is one of the top 10 beloved Bible stories about Jesus. In this story that we find in 3 of the Gospels, Matthew, Mark, and Luke, is so compelling because we see Jesus take authority over the physical earth. Up until now, we have seen Jesus do miracles of healing. In the last lesson, we see him raise a son that had died. Each time we encounter Jesus, we see more and more the God side of him. Now he takes authority over all the earth. To receive this lesson, click the Miracles of Jesus link at BibleCraftsForKids.com. This lesson is accompanied by the Creative page that I'm going to show you in today's video. So let's get started with the Jesus Calms the Storm Creative page, which is number 12. The Creative page download is inexpensive and comes with the lesson as well as the instruction sheets for the Creative page and the labels. I have printed the labels in a gray sheet of paper today that will coordinate with my 12 by 12 paper. And we're going to need to cut our 12 by 12 into a 6 by 12 half sheet. Then we're going to score our half sheet at the 6-inch mark. I always like to use double-sided paper so the students may choose which side that they would like to use. That's all we need to do to our base page. Now let's take a look at our labels. On our label sheet, we have little squares down here at the bottom. Those are hinges, and they will have double stick tape on the top and the bottom of the hinges. The only other adhesive we need is on the series label and the title label. The other circles and the memory verse will not have adhesive. After cutting our labels, we're only going to put adhesive on the title labels and the hinges. Now let's talk about the hinges just a little bit. We're going to put our adhesive along the top and as close to the dotted line as we can get. We're going to score on this dotted line because they will be folded. So we're simply going to take it and we're going to align it either with a foam sheet or a scoring board. And we're going to score right along the dotted line. Then we're going to cut our hinges apart on the solid black line. Will give us 4 hinges. And that completes our kit. Now let me show you how to assemble the kit. First we're going to take our 12 by 6 paper and we're going to fold it in half. You can choose which side that you prefer to see. I'm going to have the little stars on the outside and the stripes on the inside. We can add our title label and our series label right on the front. Now let's open and we're going to begin to assemble our labels on the inside. First we're going to take a hinge and we're going to fold it where the tape is on the outside because the tape is going to be adhered to the base, and then we're going to adhere our label on top of it. So what we'd want to do to start, we're going to put our labels on the hinges at the dotted line. And let's do that for all of them. I'm going to take the release paper off of one side, and in the middle, or close to the middle, close to the dotted line, I'm going to adhere the label to the hinge. Now it kind of looks like a mushroom, I think. And do that for all of your 4 labels. Now after we have our labels on our hinges, there is no real right or wrong way to place the labels on your base page. You're simply going to fold them back and adhere them wherever you want to put them on the page. You may want to put them upside down. You may want to put them close to the fold. It depends on where you would like to place them. In our example, I placed them toward the center, facing each other. Simply take the release paper off the other side of the hinge and lay it down and press it down where you would like to see it go. The order that I like to see the creative page labels is usually the Bible passage, then the key verse, the main characters of the story, and the ministry principle. The ministry principle today is Jesus is Lord of the earth. And that creates our creative page today. Number 12, Jesus calms the storm. Join us next for number 13. It's a little harder in the folding of this page, but this is what makes the students enjoy them so much, because they're a little different at different times. And this is number 13. Jesus casts demons into a herd of pigs. Well, thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you on number 13. Thank you and have a great day.